Okay, first, how are you feeling?
I feel nervous, but I'm hoping that my confidence will get along.
Yes, wow.
Okay, so these are the questions being given to us by the board of judges, and then we're going to read it. So here's the question. Describe your woman of the millennium. Once again, describe your woman of the millennium.
Let me say thank you for the organizers of this activity for giving me such opportunity to relay this message. Women of the millennium are molded from generation to generation, which they became braver and fighter. Women of the millennium are the fighter. Millennium is the challenge that could be up and take.
Alright, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So we are now to begin session number 2.
Okay, first, Pagayam, ano ka ba? How are you feeling?
I feel nervous too.
Relax lang.
Okay, do you want to say something to your department or your friends over there?
Thank you for our director and the co-judges. Thank you for sa pagpunta po ninyo dito. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So, please your question.
Baka ba iba pong director invited sa...
So here's the question. Suppose you win this project, what changes do you want to see for the good of the university? Suppose you win in this project, what changes do you anticipate in yourself for the good of the university?
First of all, good evening to everyone. For me, if I win this pageant, I will do my best and to be a role model to everyone. That's all. Thank you.
Congratulations, contestant number 2.
Okay lang.
You know, visiting contestant number 3.
Hindi lang ano.
Wow.
Let's have luck to Miss Judea. Okay. Siyempre, makalimutan ka. How are you feeling, dear?
I feel nervous.
You feel nervous too. So do you want to say something to your friends over there?
To all my friends and to the CSIT, thank you for the support.
Here's the question. Who, in your opinion, is doing a more important job? A housewife or a career woman? Why? Who, in your opinion, is doing a more important job? A housewife or a career woman? Why?
Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for that question. In my opinion, I think it is the career woman. Because the career woman also can be the good housewife even though she's working. And that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, number three.
Okay,
There
very
you go.
well said.
So we are now to this contestant number 4.
Yes, wow, she's really, really beautiful.
Yeah, we're in the partner.
So, hindi nakita ko dito, hindi ka nagtingin sa kanya. Napaka-nag-fit ng mga tingin mo sa kanya.
Thank you to all the POA students who support you.
She's shy.
Hindi ko masyado na ano. How are you feeling, dear? Okay naman. How are you feeling, dear?
So here's your question. At what point does a girl become a woman? Once again, at what point does a girl become a woman?
A woman becomes a girl when he bears a child and he teaches or trains the
Baliktad.
child well. That's all it takes.
Baliktad.
Do you know the significance of number one?
From the
Mga palaban.
to 3 or to 2.
How are you recognizing the number five?
It's okay. I can prove it. I wait in class saying
Yes.
Thank you very much. So here's your question.
Si Jan nanginginig. Nanginginig si Jan.
Here's your question. What is the biggest challenge for young people today, especially as a young student? What is the biggest challenge for young people today, especially as a young PUC student?
the biggest challenge, in the youngest people now is the education because now in our country it's not budget in education like in school.
Hindi man. Pinakamalaking budget ng
Our
education. Ganyan ka.
the,
Ano mo, Pinoy. Pinakamalaking ano ang education. Pinakamalaking budget. Pinakamalaking budget.
the student in this school is trying to
Anong course ang view?
have their goal to achieve and work for their parents, and that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you.
So alam natin
Hindi na alam. Nagka-practice siya.
Wow! Ito ang G-Bag. Supporta naman dyan, guys. Napakaganda ng ating culture. Okay. Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon, J-Rose Candano?
I feel nervous, but as long as I have strong faith in God, I will never be afraid to face every trial.
Sana sila lang manalo. Ganyan. Oo nga. May nagkikibito ng dalawa.
Okay, here's your question. What are your chances of winning the Mr. and Miss PUC title? How do you see those? What are your chances of winning the Miss PUC title and how do you see those?
Well, this pageant is to be considered as the stepping stone of my success, and that would be all. I thank you.
So they are 6 candidates for Miss PUC. So you will go
Okay lang. Malay mo to my success. Ano, it's considered as my stepping stone to my success. First step. Pwede na. Pwede na. Baka magustuhan mo.
So, yan, nakakaintindihan na tayo. So, let's call on the contestant for
Pwede ba nito na lang manalo?
Mr. 2010, contestant number 1.
Mataling na tayo.
He's from BS Accountancy. So, Raylor, macho. Ikaw ang Mr. Palaro 2009. Sana you can make it naman this time. Okay. Ano nararamdaman mo?
May panghalo ano ito?
Wala. Sorry. Okay. Baka may gusto kang batiin dyan. Baka may gusto kang batiin dyan. Mga friends, katropa. Okay, pick one, and then you'll answer that later. Sandali lang, we're so excited naman eh. Kinakabahan talaga si Boses. Okay. Here's Joy ng Papa Luigi question. What makes you stand over your opponents in this contest? And repeat. What makes you stand out over your opponents in this contest?
I don't have any. That's okay.
Let's all on the heaven guide me and guide us. The difference is that between me and my opponent is very simple. Just to represent what my parents and all other employees represent. It is the task that represents the scholarship was here in front of you that representing that here I am. You know?
Thank you very much. Walang ang kulang ipabigin ang mga sagot ng aking mga contestants. So, let's go to contestant number 2. Okay, it's from DSE. Grabe ang support na ng department mo. Makuha mo kayo na. Okay. Okay, here is your question. If you had the power to change any event in your life, what would that be? I repeat. If you had the power to change any event in your life, what would that be?
Thank you. Good evening once again. For me, my answer is none, because my moral character and attitude is always there. And I love the way I am and what I am.
Very good.
Okay, let's go to contestant number 3.
May first na tayo.
It's from CSIT. Okay, dali lang. How are you feeling? Joker ba? How are you feeling? Ano nararamdaman mo?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Pero takbit lang yan.
Teacher question. Okay, here is your question. Do you consider yourself to be a giver or a taker? Why? And repeat. Do you consider yourself to be a giver or a taker? Why?
Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I consider myself a giver. Why? Because I love to give. The more you give, the more you receive. That's my philosophy.
Politiko yan, ma'am. Politiko. Okay yan, ma'am.
This time, let me call candidate for number 4. Yes, that's number 4 from DOA. Relax ka lang. Okay. Okay. Teacher question. Okay. Here is your question. If you could travel back in time, where in time would you travel repeat. If you could travel back in time, or in time, would you travel back to?
For me, I travel back to the time of Jesus. Because now we cannot see Jesus, but that time we see Jesus on his face, on his body. That's all. Thank you.
Ano niya, ibig sabihin physical. Physical.
Very interesting.
Physical. Kaya yung paniniwala
Can you
natin.
repeat the number 4? So we will go to sentence number 5.
Okay, lesson number 5.
Wow. English yan.
Ito ang ating math answer for tonight. Okay, pick your question. Okay, here is your question. As Mr. PUP candidate and scholar ng bayan, how will you help our government? I repeat, as Mr. PUP candidate and scholar ng bayan, how will you help our government?
I will simply help our government by
Ay, God.
by
Gusto magsimbag naman lang ko taas.
matutulungan ko po ang ating gobyerno sa pamamagitan ng ating pong pagpatuloy sa pag-aaral at sa pagpapabuti po nito. Yun lang po ang maraming salamat.
Thank you, President number 5. And here is Mr. Cicero Abraham.
Wala ko lang sa bilang professor. So yung may pinakawalang minor words po.
Anong nasasabi mo?
Here, everyone.
Yeah. But yet you're still humble, right? Okay, let me read your question. What? Sorry. Would you rather have a hot look or a warm heart, and why? I repeat. Would you rather have a hot look or a warm heart, and why?
Okay, I would choose to have a warm heart. It is because I need to have my good attitude first. And I don't care about my physical appearance. It is because I know people will respect me as who I am because of the warm heart and not because of my looks. That would be it.
So that's the end of our question and our answers for today. So it will be followed by the playroom of East PUP 2019 Food Challenge. So what do you think?